Good morning, student. Welcome to the Ganjati online classes. I am your English teacher. Today we discuss English textbook chapter 10. Okay, and chapter name is Parrot in my garden. Parrot in my garden. Okay. Today we have to do exercises. Okay. We have to do exercises. Let's start the exercises. First, you open your English text copy, okay, or English copy. You open also your book, page number 81, English book, okay. Then you know about parrots in my garden. I am already completed this chapter, and today we discuss about exercises or question answer. So be ready. All the number is important. So you all are write all the numbers, all question answer. Okay. First we do answer in one words. Answer in one words. So let's see the blackboard properly. You have to write all the question answer on your blackboard. So you have to note in your copy properly all the numbers. Okay. I hope you all enjoyed this small chapter earlier, parrots in my garden. Okay, it's very amazing or interesting chapter, parrots in my garden. It's a small poem. You have to read aloudly. I told you that time. So today we have to discuss about some questions. Let's see the blackboard properly. Answer in one. Answer in one word. Okay. So we have to give answer only one words. Okay. So let's start. See the blackboard properly. Then we have to do all the questions. When do the parrot visits the speaker? So here are the blanks. When do the parrots visit the speaker? So we have to give him one word answer. Okay. So what is the answer? Just you have to keep your mind and give the answer. Which is the what is the answer for this question? Where do the parrots visit the speaker? Come morning. Yeah. Morning. Okay. So you have to write here morning. When do the parrot visit the speaker? The parrot visits the speaker morning. Okay. So में क्या था? Morning था. Okay. So write that side morning. Then you have to do two number. What is a group of parrot? So what is a group of parrots called? Just give the answer. Group of parrots को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Group of parrots. वो only we have to give an answer one word. What? One word. Answer is flock. Here you have to write and fill in the blanks. Flock. Okay. Then let's see number 3. How do the parrots How do the parrots किस तरह से दिख रहे हैं? Parrots किस तरह से दिख रहे हैं? How do the parrot look. Parrots किस तरह से दिख रहे हैं? Give the answer, which is the right answer. Only you have to give answer one word. So think, how do the parrot look? The parrot look is trim and bright. Trim and bright. Trim and bright. So here we have to fill up one words, trim and bright. Okay. So dear student, we have to complete 1, 2 and 3 number. Rest 4th number, see the blackboard properly. We have to do. Okay. It's very easy, not difficult. So just you have to write a note in your copy. Okay. We have to write number 4. Just look on the blackboard. Number 4. What does the word place? What place in the pot? Refer to. So what does the word place in the poem refer? Place जो है इस poem में place को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? So what does the word place in the poem refer to? What? Law. You have to write law. Okay. Right here, L-A-W, law. Okay? L-A-W. Okay? Number 4 we have to complete it. Answer in 1 word we have to complete it. Okay? Note it in all the numbers 1 to 4 number in your copy. Then we have to do another number. Okay? So let's see blackboard properly. We have to do another number. Okay? Here. So let's see blackboard. We have to do another number. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Okay. So see the book properly. Which of these lines tell us that the speaker loves to feed the parrot? Okay, the question is, which of these lines tell us the speaker loves to feed the parrots? ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? ठीक है, so just you have to see the book first and we have to take correct one. Okay, so just I write correct ones. Answer is they scoop down on juicy grapes, which I love to throw. Okay, so this one you have to tick, okay, in your book, and you have to write this one in your copy also. Which of these lines tell us that the speaker loves to feed the parrots. The answer is they swoop down on juicy ground sweet I love to through. Okay, you have to take this one and write in your copy. Okay, then you have to write number 2. See the blackboard properly. Okay, don't miss anyone. It's really important for you. All the numbers write in your copy. Do not leave any number. Okay. Then write number 2. Which of these lines tell us that the parrots come to the lawn every day. Okay, just you understand it. Which of these lines tell us the parrot come to the lawn every day? Okay, यहाँ 2 लाइन दिया गया है. Soon my lawn is the clear and clean for every little grain, and then the parrots leave the place to fly back once again. Okay, so we have to write that line is the correct answer. So only the answer you have to write here. You have to see properly in your book. Okay, 2 option is here, A or B. So you have to write B number. B number is the answer. Okay, and then the parrot leave the place to fly back once again. So this one is right answer. So you have to take here. Okay. B number is the right answer. So see the book properly and tick B number, and then the parrots leave the place to fly back once again. To know which of these lines tell us that the parrots come to the lawn every day? The answer is, and then the parrot leave the place to fly back once again. Okay, you have to tick this one. Then you have to do add another number. See page number 82. Okay, then you have to do all match the name of the birds and their picture. So see the picture, see the blackboard properly. Okay. So dear student, just to see the blackboard. Okay, we have to do match the name of the birds to their picture. Okay. So first you see the picture, page number 82. Okay, vocabulary. Match the name of the birds to their picture. Okay, you have to write here only number. First number, eagle. Okay, just you have to match 1 number, eagle. Okay, then 2 number, sparrow. What? Sparrow. Then 3rd number, woodpecker. Woodpecker. 4th number, peacock. And then 5th number, parrot. What? Parrot. Okay. So dear student, first you see the book properly and see the picture and write one number to E number, eagle, two number you have to match E number, speak sparrow. Then third number you have to match D number, woodpecker. Then fourth number you have to match peacock. Fourth number is peacock. Then you have to match here B number. Then 5 number you have to match C number. Okay. So our match the name of the birds to their picture also completed. Okay. Write in your copy. Write in your note copy. Okay. Then you have to easily all the numbers do yourself also. Okay. So let's do another number. Okay. See the book properly and see the blackboard also. Okay. It's very easy, not very difficult. If your mind just you have to understand all the sentence, all the numbers, then do yourself. Not anyone to help you. So B2 number, a group of birds. What? A group of birds is called a flock. So that's why what is the group of these called? So you have to see the picture. It is down, okay, and at the arrow boxes some words is here: crave, hide, hard, range, choose, and pick. And 1 to 6 number is here. We have to decide it. We have to write the correct words in correct place. Okay. So let's see the blackboard properly. 1 number, group of singer. Group of singers. Group of singers. Okay. So group of singers क्या होगा? Just you to see the boxes, yellow boxes, crave, high, hard, range, choose, pick. क्या होगा? So group of singers is called CHOIR. ठीक है? So one number होगा choose. ठीक है? CHOIR. Choose. Then group of singers CHOIR. Choose. Then 2 number group of group of sailor. Group of sailors. So what we write here, group of sailor means group of sailors. Here we have to write crave. CREW. Crave. Okay. Then 2 number is completed. Then third, a group of bees. Group of bees. Group of bees. So what I write? Hard, hide, drain, choose, pick. What I write? Hive. Here we have to write HIVE. Hive. Okay. So dear student, let's see. Again I repeated this one. A group of birds called a flock. Group of birds को जैसे flock बोला जाता है. What is the group of this called? Here the some sentence, some words we have to decide it. Okay. So first number group of singers. Group of singers का क्या होगा? So we have to write here CHOIR. Sure. ठीक है? That 2 number group of sailor. Group of sailor means क्या बोला जाएगा? CREW, क्रेव, ठीक है, क्रेव। देन थर्ड नंबर ग्रुप ऑफ बीज, ग्रुप ऑफ बीज मीन्स हाइव, HIV, ठीक है। बीज का जो ग्रुप है उसको हाइव बोला जाएगा, सेलेक्ट का ग्रुप को क्रेव, सिंगर्स का जो ग्रुप है उसको ट्यूब, ठीक है। जस्ट यू हैव टू क्लियर इट, देन यू हैव टू राइट another number, okay, see the blackboard properly, okay. Noted all the numbers, all the sentence, not leave any ones, not leave many numbers, okay. Just you have to write all the numbers, okay. Then number 4, group of CATTLE, कैटल, ग्रुप ऑफ कैटल, कैटल का ग्रुप हम लोग क्या बताएंगे? जस्ट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड एंड गिव द आंसर। सी द बुक 82 पेज एंड यू हैव टू सी वन येलो बॉक्सेस, क्रेव, हाइव, हार्ट, रेन, चूर, पेज। सो व्हाट नंबर ग्रुप ऑफ कैटल, कैटल का ग्रुप को क्या बोला जाएगा? Here you have to write hard, H-E-R-D, hard, okay. Then 5 number group of wolves, group of wolves, wolves का ग्रुप को क्या बोला जाएगा? WOLVES, wolves, PAC, pack, ठीक है। ग्रुप ऑफ वॉल्व्स मीन्स पैक। 6 माउंटेन्स, ग्रुप ऑफ माउंटेन्स, माउंटेन्स का ग्रुप को क्या बोला जाएगा? बहुत सारे माउंटेन्स, ठीक है, उनका एक ग्रुप बना हुआ है। So, group of mountains called range. R-A-N-G. Okay. So, dear student, here just keep your mind. 4th number, group of cattle. Group of cattle यानी कि cattle का जितने पूरा group है, ठीक है। एक और cattle नहीं है, बहुत सारे cattle हैं। So, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Herd. So, group of cattle called herd. Then 5 number group of wolves, wolves का जो ग्रुप एक wolves नहीं है, बहुत सारे wolves हैं, ठीक है। So group of wolves called pack. What am I right? Pack. ये सीखे। Then 6 number group of mountains, mountains का ग्रुप यानी एक माउंटेन में बहुत सारे mountains हैं। So what we call range. R-A-N-G. Okay. Just you write in your copy, note it, okay. Then you have to do another step, okay. So let's see page number 83. So we have to do another number, okay. Just see the blackboard properly. Then you have to write another number. It is the grammar section, okay. So write. Now we discuss grammar section, okay. So we have to first read this sentence and note the use of I, they, you and we, okay. Here the some sentence, some words we have to just read and understand it, which place we have to use it, I, they, you and we, okay. So we have to do fill in the fill in these blanks with I, we, you or they. So let's see which place we have to using I, we, you or they. Okay, we have to fill in the blanks. Correct place, correct words. Okay, let's see. We have to solve number 1. Spider. Spiders make me nervous. Okay, dear student, you have to see page number 83 in your book also. if any words mistake you have to erase. Okay, then write clearly. So because your clearance, you have to see also book. Okay, 83 page. The down, fill in the blanks. These words we have to using I, we, you or they. So first number you have to do. Spider made me nervous. So we have the blanks using I am afraid. I am afraid of them. The sentence is complete. Okay? Spider made me nervous. I am afraid of them. मैं स्पाइडर से डरता हूँ. कई लोग, बहुत सारे लोग जो है स्पाइडर से डरते हैं, ठीक है, और नर्वस में हो जाते हैं. So here spider made me nervous. I am afraid of them. So here we have to using I. Okay, the correct place, correct one. Okay, then you have to solve number 2. See the blackboard properly and understand the sentence. Then you have to easily do all the numbers. My aunt and her children. My aunt and her children are coming to visit us. Okay, then blanks. Here we are using they. They are on a holiday. Okay, then sentence is complete. So in Hindi means मेरे आंटी और उनके जो चिल्ड्रंस यानी कि उनके बच्चे, ठीक है, उन लोग आए हैं घूमने हमारे घर. दे आर ऑन ए हॉलीडे, यानी कि उन लोग हॉलीडे मनाने हमारे घर आए. माय आंट एंड हर चिल्ड्रन आर कमिंग टू विजिट अस. दे आर ऑन ए हॉलीडे, यानी कि हम लोग को देखने आए हैं. और अभी जो है छुट्टी चल रहा है. छुट्टी चल रहा है अभी तो कोरोना का छुट्टी, उससे पहले जो है समर वेकेशन. ठीक है. So dear student, my aunt and her children are coming to visit us. So we have to using here they are, क्योंकि उन लोग एक नहीं है, बहुत सारे. ठीक है. ओके, वो और आंटी और उनके चिल्ड्रंस, यानी कि उनके आंटी और उनके बच्चे भी आए हैं. So we have to using here they are on a holiday. Okay. So write in your copy. Then we have to do another number. Okay. So I hope you understand well and write in your copy. Do not take any words, any number. It's important for you. Again I repeat it and repeat. क्योंकि मैं रिपीट इसलिए कर रहा हूँ कि कई बच्चे जो है सिर्फ देखते हैं, वीडियो देखते हैं, लिखते नहीं. So just you have to write down in your copy properly. Okay. Then you have to do third number. My sister. My sister and I are going to visit our grandmother. Grandmother's house. So here is the blanks. Okay. So what we using? We will have fun there. Okay. Just understand the sentence properly. My sister and I are going to visit our grandmother's house. We will have fun there. मैं और मेरे दो जो सिस्टर यानी कि मेरे जो बहनें हैं, उन लोग हम लोग कहाँ गए हैं? मेरे ग्रैंडमदर के, ठीक है, मेरे दादी के यहाँ गए हैं. ठीक है. उनके घर गए हैं. और क्यों गए हैं? हम लोग कुछ वहाँ मस्ती करेंगे. ठीक है. हम लोग को मस्ती करना अच्छा लगता है. सारे बच्चों को मस्ती करना अच्छा लगता है। अभी तो छुट्टी है, सभी लोग मस्ती करना अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है। सो माय सिस्टर एंड आई आर गोइंग टू विजिट आवर ग्रैंडमदर्स हाउस, वी विल हैव फन देयर। सो हियर वी हैव टू यूजिंग वी, क्योंकि मैं हूं और मेरे सिस्टर लोग, ठीक है। सो हम लोग जो है वी यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे, लेंस में वी यूज करेंगे। The sentence is already completed and correct. Okay. Then you have to do fourth number. Just you see the blackboard properly. R dash. Here we you using you. Are you going to come? Going to come to my पार्टी। ओके, आई यानी कि पूछ रहा है, आई गोइंग टू कम टू माय पार्टी, यानी कि तुम जो है मेरे पार्टी में आ रहे हो क्या? जस्ट इन क्वेश्चन मार्क। ओके, नियर द क्वेश्चन मार्क। आर यू यहाँ पे पूछा जा रहा है, क्या तुम मेरे पार्टी में ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, आ रहे हो क्या? ठीक है। सो फोर्थ नंबर आल्सो कंप्लीटेड। देन यू हैव टू राइट 5 नंबर। ओके, see the blackboard properly. You have to do 5 number also. Here 5 number, the DWARFS drafts look everywhere. The drafts looked everywhere for snow. White. They were worried. Worried because she was late. She was late. Getting so here we are using they. The draft looked everywhere for Snow White. They were worried because she was late getting back home. Okay, so we have to using they because many people is there. So here we have to using they. Okay, then fill in the blanks with I, we, you or they as completed. Okay, noted all the numbers positively. Do not leave any ones. It's important for you. I repeat it again and again. So this one is important. Okay. Then you have to do another number. Here the read this word aloud. Know the sound of ch or sh in these words. Page number 84. Page number 84. So you have to read this one: cheese, save, brand, dish, soap, save, brush, reach, child, soap, punch, splash, sell, chin, push, catch. Okay. So this one you have to read aloudly. Okay, read aloudly. Then see the picture. Circle things that do not have ch or sh sound in their names. So you have to do yourself. It's your homework. See the picture properly and you have to write. Okay, this one. This one is very important for you. So you have to just write yourself. Okay, all the numbers. Circle things that do not have ch or cs sound in their names. Only you have to ch and ss sound. Just you have to write. So I you have to circle this one, two names, two picture. You have to circle. One is the telephone and another is the truck. Telephone or truck. Circle the thing that do not have ch or sh sound in their names. Do not have. Okay. So that's one is telephone, and another is truck. Here is second. So this one not using sound ch or sh sound. Telephone and truck. So write down this one. Okay. Then you have to do listening and speaking. This is your work, homework. You have to do yourself. Okay. So dear student, I hope you all are write all the numbers properly. Today we completed 10 exercises. Your textbook, English textbook. Write all the numbers I repeated. Pairs in my diary. It's very important chapter and important question answer also. So all the right question and answer you have to write in your copy properly, and do all the homework, okay, in your home. So thank you for watching our video. Okay, I hope you all are enjoying the question answer classes. Okay, if do not understand any things, any numbers, you have to contact me. My WhatsApp number is in your WhatsApp group. Okay, so you have to contact me if any doubt. Then see the question answer as a PDF file. We have to sending as a your WhatsApp group. Okay, so you have to watch, write all the numbers properly. Okay, so thank you very much for seeing our video. Thank you.